In this video we'll be looking at 5 of the best portable washing machines that you can buy in 2022. I've made this list based on my personal opinion, research, but also taking in consideration customer reviews. So, whether it's performance, price, or its particular use, I've got the perfect match for you. I've included options for every type of consumer. So, if you are looking for a budget option or for the best one on the market, you have came to the right place. If you want more information and up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in video description. Stay with me till the end of the video to get the full specs of my best 5. So, here are 5 of the best portable washing machines that you can buy in 2022. First on my list is this COMFEE portable washing machine. This washing machine has a capacity of 11 pounds of clothes. With only 20.7 inch in width, 20.3 inch in depth, and 36.6 inch in height, this compact washer is able to be stored easily. It fits in your room, RV, and even in your dormitory nicely. This portable washing machine has 6 most commonly used programs, such as normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only. You can also add extra rinse time by pressing the extra rinse button. Delay start function could save a big hassle for you. Simply throw your laundry in, and set a time when you want it to start, avoiding the headache of having to wash them all over again because of the smell. The clear lid allows you to see and monitor the water condition, see the clothes inside when the machine is running. For detailed information and up-to-date pricing on this washing machine, be sure to check the links in video description. Next on my list is this portable washer from Nictemaw. This 2-in-1 compact laundry washer has a capacity of 17.8 pounds. Designed with a full automatic system, equipped with a single cylinder and drain pump, the washing machine not only can be used to wash your clothes but also for drying them. The washing machine is equipped with an extended drain pipe and a drain pump to help your washing machine drain water easily and quickly. There are 10 programs on the control panel, 8 water level selections and timer on the LED display. All functions and operations are clearly listed, including water level, rotation, program, delay, time setting and child lock. It is also equipped with a faucet adapter to meet the needs of the faucet interface. Comes with spacious capacity, powerful motor and drain pump. This washer machine is compact and lightweight for you to easily move it in your home. When it comes to washing machines, this BLACK+DECKER portable washer is your ultimate solution to immaculately clean clothing for household use. There are 5 cycles to choose from this washer, which include heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak. Cold water temperature settings available with 3 water level choices for small, medium, and large loads. Place anywhere in your home or area with 2 rollers, 2 side handles, and 1 adjustable front leveling leg. This unit comes with a drain hose and quick connect sink adapter. Also included are auto shut-off safety features. You can delayed start, up to 24 hours, and child lock protection. For detailed information and up-to-date pricing on this washing machine, be sure to check the links in video description. This is a portable washing machine from Giantex, a full automatic washer and dryer combo. This Giantex washing machine is compact and lightweight, for you to easily move it in your home or department. The honeycomb-shaped inner tub can load 8 pounds at one time and wash many clothes. This portable washing machine has 5 most commonly used programs. You could adjust the different washing mode through the wash push button and control the water level via the switch. This machine features a built-in drain aluminum pump and a drainage tube which allows you to easily drain out dirty water, which is good a choice for apartment or dorm doing medium or little weight laundry. For detailed information and up-to-date pricing on this washing machine, be sure to check the links in video description. From Helohome we have a portable washing machine that has an 11 pounds capacity. The Helohome portable washing machine, with only 20.28 inches in width, 20.67 inches in depth, and 36.61 inches in height, is extremely space-saving, which can be stored easily. This full automatic washing machine has 6 programs that are most commonly used. The washer also has 3 water temperatures, and 3 water levels for you to choose from. It not only comes with an LED display, which can show you exactly which process the machine is going on, but also has a see-through lid, which allows you to see and monitor the water condition. For detailed information and up-to-date pricing on this washing machine, be sure to check the links in video description.